Hi, my name is Jennifer Cossette, and I'll be presenting the newly emerging cutting-edge technology, virtual reality, and how to integrate this into the classroom. Let's start with a brief overview of virtual reality. Virtual reality uses software to integrate the senses in order to create an artificial environment for users. Virtual reality can include a simulation of a real-life environment, as well as the development of an imagined environment. In order to make VR possible, users wear specifically designed headsets in order to engage in these 3D interactions. There are several components of the VR headsets that make this possible. One is the content feeds, which is the hardware that provides the information. There are controls, buttons or controllers, the displays where the image is pushed out to the viewer's eyes, the lenses which help you focus on the screen in order to give you that real-world experience, the field of view, which is the degree to which you're seeing, the frame rate, the frequency the frames are displayed, the tracking sensors, which are used to know when you move your head, hands, or body, as well as the audio. So now that we know a little bit more about virtual reality, I'm going to discuss ways virtual reality can be integrated into education. One way that virtual reality can be integrated into education is by providing students opportunities for global field trips. Through this, your students can no longer be held to the walls of your classroom. So you can expand the learning beyond the school, which is really different from a typical field trip where the destination is limited to your location. So really, with the virtual reality, your students can go anywhere on a field trip. In addition, it can improve language learning through the immersion of other cultures by providing students with a unique experience. It can also increase social and emotional learning through empathy and interactions with others. And finally, to expand research opportunities. So rather than reading or watching a video, students can actually experience the things that they're researching for projects in school. Now we're going to look at some more specific integration ideas. So specifically, you could support your students with biography research by allowing students to visit a time in history. So for example, students could actually experience and view Martin Luther King Jr.'s famous speech. You could also teach students about space by exploring the moon and our planets in a new way that's impossible without virtual reality. Students can also learn about new cultures and visit famous landmarks. This concludes my presentation on the cutting-edge technology, virtual reality, and how to integrate this into the classroom. Thank you.